What's up, guys? Random Knife Guy here. It's been a while. I got the buck 110 and the buck 110 slim. The blade thickness is the same, but you see the handle thickness, the big difference. This is a pretty heavy knife. This one is probably about it feels like half the weight, and it's pretty nice. This one has a pocket clip. This one doesn't come with one. And just for a comparison, here's the 112 Ranger. So you see the handle's longer, the blade's longer, and the thickness is exactly the same. Anyways, enjoy your weekend, guys. Have a nice day.